Hello everyone, thanks so much for tuning in. Today I'm bringing you along with us on our full day of Prosecco pub crawls, aka winery crawls, through the famous Prosecco hills in northern Italy. This event is called Canevando and it is a long day but so much fun. Hope you enjoy! Now we walk. We're gonna hike to each winery on the beautiful Prosecco roads. We're at the second winery. This is glass number 4. We are doing well. We have a little hike to the next spot, so hang with us. More content coming your way.
Hey!
How's it going?
Great. This is not my first drink of the night.
This is not my first drink of the night, and this is a hike. Oh my god.
Kat and Zach, what are you eating?
Lasagna.
What? Ooh. How good is it?
Amazing.
Okay, boys. How are you?
How do your smiles so shiny? Yeah, I'm good.
Ty's glistening.
I got.
Ty.
Oh, hello, Bello.
Words. How you feeling?
I feel like $1 million.
How's your lasagna?
I look like $1 million too. I don't know. I haven't eaten any yet. The camera's in my face.
Turning through sickle, choking on your ride.
Y'all, we just walked up like a 30 degree incline. Wait, no, like a 90% grade incline. Less than that, but you know what I mean. I'm out of breath, if you can't tell. So is everybody else. They're all sitting down. But here's the view. Zach, how are you feeling? It's the 5th winery.
I'm feeling great.
And that is that. 5th winery on Prosecco Road. Cheers.